Hello my sunshines and welcome back to my channel, a channel of positivity. So today I want to show you all the makeup essentials that you need in your makeup kit whilst traveling. I'm making this video honestly because when I came from Mumbai to Goa, I did not have anything with me. I thought I would come just for a month. I ended up staying for 3 and then quarantine started, so I ended up staying for around 8 months. I did not have most of my makeup with me. Most of it is in Bombay. I did carry my makeup pouch thankfully, but there were a lot of things like makeup brushes I did not carry. I wanted to make this video so that the next time you are traveling, you can carry a kit with you that you know you can always go back to it and use it. So in this video, I'm only going to be talking about all the basic things that you will require. There won't be anything excessive because I don't want you to carry a lot of bulk, a lot of weight whilst moving around. So I'm going to keep it at the bare minimum. So this makeup kit is even suitable for beginners who are just starting with makeup. You can use these products.
Subscribe to be a part of the Sunshine Squad.
So the first thing is your foundation or your BB cream. Now I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but if the foundation is too heavy like this one, it's a glass foundation and you don't want to pack on too much weight, it's always advisable to carry a BB cream because BB creams mostly come in a tube form and is usually lightweight, so you can carry it easily. Whereas this Maybelline foundation is really heavy, it comes in a glass bottle. So it's better to carry either a BB cream or this foundation also comes in a tube form. You can get it from a store. It's cheaper and it's in a small travel friendly pack. The most important thing to carry in your makeup kit is your concealer. Now even if you don't carry your foundation with you or if you don't have a BB cream, keep a concealer. It's just one stick, but it will be so useful. A lot of girls don't put this in their makeup kit. Most of the times they carry either an eyeliner and a lipstick and they don't carry this. This can cover your under eyes, your dark under eyes, or your spots or any discoloration. You can just cover it with your concealer. If you don't want to use a heavy foundation, you can just use your concealer and get going. Most of the times I always skip the foundation and I just go in with the concealer because I tend to use makeup a lot, especially on camera. That's why I tend to skip on foundation and just use concealer instead. I don't want the foundation to spoil my skin because I keep using makeup every day, like almost every day. So I would advise using a concealer. This is a definite must have, your kajal. Like every girl knows this, you have to carry your kajal. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's the best kajal ever. I just love this kajal. It's so dark and so lovely. I love it. Just comes in this pencil form. Usually Himalaya has these big fat kajal. I don't know how people apply it on, but I'm so used to these thin kajals. The next thing you need in your traveling kit is a mascara. So this is the Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. It's an amazing mascara. It's almost over. It makes your lashes super thick. So I would suggest wearing your mascara, wait for a little while, have a double coat, wait for a while, have a triple coat, and then your mascara will be nice and thick. Now, if you forget all your makeup brushes, don't forget this one makeup brush, okay? Don't forget your blending brush. This is the most important brush. I just ordered it. I didn't have it, so I was using my fingers, you all know. But this is the most important eye brush that you will ever have. This is the blending brush. You can always pack on eye product with your fingers, but you can't blend with your fingers. You need a blending brush. This blending brush is from Miniso. I got a whole pack of brushes from Miniso, so see, you get all these eye brushes in case you want to carry all of them. You can carry all of them like this. I got it off of Amazon, and they were really cheap and affordable, so that's really great. And they're really nice, really soft. I love them. It was definitely worth the investment. The next makeup must-have is, guess what? It's your beauty blender. Okay, I don't want to show you mine. Mine is really used a lot. And yeah, I have another yellow color, mango color one in my suitcase which I will be using. This one has to go in the bin. So, but you do need a beauty blender, and make sure yours is clean and moist and damp before you use it on your skin. Don't use a dry beauty blender. It's not good. So use a nice damp beauty blender. It will blend everything perfectly. The thing with the beauty blender is that you can use it instead of a brush. When you're using makeup brushes, there are a lot of makeup brushes that you have to use, and you can replace all those brushes with just one beauty blender. So just carry this little light sponge and you will be saving yourself from so much trouble. Now we cannot forget this one. You know this one. It's your lipstick. Make sure you're carrying your favorite lipstick because you are going to wear this on a lot of occasions. If you can carry 2 lipsticks, stick with your favorite one. I can't pick between these. These are my favorite. I also have one in nude as well, but that's in Mumbai. It's a little light for my skin, but I can blend it with other colors and then it would suit me. But these are my favorite. These are the Too Faced liquid matte lipsticks. They're a little bit pricey, but they're so worth it. These are the melted matte Christmas collection. You all know that I use these and I love them. And I can't wait to buy new ones because these are almost over. This is almost done. These are there still. I hope Sephora in Mumbai has them because I got them in America and I'm not sure if they have them here. But oh my gosh, these are amazing. And they're the Christmas collection, so I doubt if it will be there or not. But I think you can get these lipsticks on the Too Faced store. I don't know if they deliver to India, so you'll have to check. These 3 lipsticks are so travel friendly. They are so small and cute, and they also have these lipsticks in the bigger version, but these are so lovely and travel friendly. Next is eyeshadow palettes. Now eyeshadow palettes are usually big and bulky. Now I have big eyeshadow palettes. I would advise you to carry those smaller eyeshadow palettes. Now look at this one. This is a Primark palette. It's a little big, but I like it because there are a million colors inside. But if you want to travel, you can carry makeup palettes which have 6 colors in them. They usually come in a square format, a nice mirror. Buy one with a mirror because when you're traveling, usually, mirror can come in handy. You don't know if your hotel rooms will have a mirror or not. And even if you're traveling on train, you can always use a mirror eyeshadow palette. Make sure when you're putting eye makeup, your mirror is down here and not up here, because it's easier to put on eye makeup like this than when you are bang up like that, because your eyelids will be up. And when you're putting eye makeup from here, your eyelids will be down. Another alternative is this palette. Now, this palette is a little bigger than this one. The difference between this palette and that palette is that this palette is everything, literally, and it's small and compact, and you can carry it everywhere. It's a little bigger than that one, but it has everything. Let me show you. So this palette has the contour, a highlight. It has 6 eyeshadows of different colors. These eyeshadows are this lovely metallic color, beautiful different colors, and it also has a lovely blush, a nice pink blush. So I think this palette is amazing to carry around, because if you want to contour and you want to do your eyeshadow and blush, this palette has it all. It's the Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional palette. It is quite affordable, so I would recommend it. You get all of these items on Amazon. I will try and list most of the items in the description box down below, so check it out if you want to buy something or not. I love making this video for all of you. Do let me know if you want more videos like this, and let me know about future videos, what you would like me to make. And I love coming on camera and talking to all of you every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm really grateful for all of you watching my videos till the end. You guys are awesome, and please tell everybody about this channel. It's still a new channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends about the channel. I love you all. See you all in the next one. Bye. And it's in a small travel font, and it's